jump right in and say, first of all, good job on your homework. We had some really good looking homeworks today. It was nice to look through them. All right, first things first, Sal had made a pretty good video about his homework. So let's show his video. Good job, Sal.
My name is Sal. Today I'm saying about troubles of orangutan. Do you know what threatens to the life of orangutan? First, the people throw trash in the ocean, make the water dirty. So if the orangutan don't drink water, it will so thirsty and it will die. If the orangutan drinks the dirty water, it will die too. The second, people make factories and factories pull out dirty air. If the orangutan smells breathe, it will die. And if orangutan don't smell, it will die too. The third, the people throw trash in the ground. They make the ground dirty so the plant cannot grow.
All right, excellent job, Sal. Very good. I like your drawings, and I really like that you included how threats to the orangutan can happen in different areas, like its water, its air, its soil. This was very, very well done. Excellent job, Sal. Thank you. All right, Zalin had a very pretty drawing. And she mentioned that there's trash on the beach and some animals eat the eggs. She said a couple reasons why the turtles are endangered. Great job. Let's take a look at Kiwi. Kiwi, excellent work. Very good, Kiwi. You have some good points there about how people take their honey and destroy the hive. Next time you take notes on your video or about what you read, make sure you double check your spelling, okay? Everyone's homework has a couple little spelling errors, but this one just has quite a few. So great job doing your homework. But take extra care to check your spelling, okay? Okay, let's get straight into it. We're gonna start off with a little review game. Sea turtle game. All right, everybody, get ready to answer some questions because you need to know what threatens a sea turtle's life. If you tell me the correct answer, the class survives. If I get too many wrong answers, then I will not let your class survive, okay? So the sea turtle survival depends on your survival. Let's get started. What threatens the sea turtle's life? At number 1, what threatens the sea turtle eggs? What danger does the sea turtle eggs face? Leo, go ahead, Leo.
Eat the sea turtle egg.
Excellent. Maybe the predators eat them. Can we think of one more thing? Kwang Hai.
Maybe it can have lots of trash. The mother and the baby sea turtles are hard to go on the sand.
Yeah, there's a lot of trash. Guys, I think our class has survived number 1. You guys have made it past the first obstacle. The eggs face threats from predators, a dirty beach, and remember, humans' food. We eat them. We take the poor endangered sea turtle eggs and eat them. Number two, what about this one? What affects how many males or females? Now it's born. What affects how many males and females are born?
When it goes when hatchling is male.
Very good, Chi. And I saw Lehan. Go ahead, Lehan, the next part.
When it hot, it will more female.
Good. Do you remember what it's called when the earth is getting warmer, Lehan? So the girls were right about male and female. The word I'm looking for is climate change. It's too hot, so we have too many females. Number three, what's happening to this sea turtle?
Has been eaten by a shark.
Yes, they could be eaten by predators still, but what else happens when they go into the water?
I don't know.
That's all right. So class, we fail this one, but could you two read this for me?
Shark in a bag.
Good. And the other two?
Shell from use.
Good. For humans, can you say humans?
Human.
Good, much better. Okay, so ocean pollution, they get stuck in bags and their shells are used by humans to make guitars, to make boots and purses. They use turtle shells. Number four, what happens in number four? This is about what they eat. Kui?
Like it.
Good job, Kui. That's exactly right. They eat plastic bags, but also, so this one is about fishing nets. What happens to the turtles with the fishing nets? Katie, what happens with the fishing nets?
Some people catch fish and catch the turtle.
Very good. Excellent. So far, the class is about 50-50. This is the last one. Let's see if you all survive. What happens at the last part when the sea turtle comes back to the beach? What could threaten the sea turtle's ability to lay its eggs on the beach? Katie again, go ahead.
Some people throw trash and the mommy turtle couldn't go up and lay eggs.
Excellent job. What's a second thing? Maybe there's trash on the beach. What's another reason? Ocean, are you raising your hand? Go ahead, Ocean.
They chew and they eat them.
So maybe people are still killing and eating them. The one I was looking for, though, is buildings. So we throw trash on the beach, but maybe the sea turtle shows up and the beach isn't even there anymore because we built it. All right, class. We didn't survive the review game. We didn't survive. Make sure we're paying really good attention during class, okay? Matching. Here we have endangered, extinct, and conservation. Can you match these words to their definition? Go ahead and draw a line with the word to the definition. Very good job, Mickey, Kui, Kwang Hai. Very nice, everyone. It looks like for the most part, we got most of them right. All right, let's take a look here. So endangered is going to not a lot left. There are not that many bees left. They're endangered. Extinct is going to none left. There are none of them are left. Conservation, some of them are going to none left, and some of them are going to protecting or using less. Remember when we learned about conservation of water? Conservation means to protect. Okay, can everyone say the word extinct? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Extinct. Can everyone say the word endangered? Endangered. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, Hannah and Emma. All right. Now let's learn about their importance, the importance of sea turtles. Anyone have an idea about why sea turtles are important? Go ahead, Chi, or Leihan, or Quang Hai. Go ahead and learn about it. It looks like we have a lot to learn. So let's go quickly. Number 1, jellyfish and sponges. Turtles eat them. They help control how many prey are around. Quang Hai, can you please read this?
Turtles help control their prey. For example, leatherback help manage the molten jellyfish in the ocean. Hawkbills help breathe by eating strong that compete with them for space.
Good. Can you say the word sponges?
Sponges.
Good. Much better. All right. So they eat jellyfish and they eat the sponges. When they eat the sponges, that leaves space for other animals and coral to grow, right? So hawksbill allow other species, such as coral, to colonize or grow by removing sponges from reefs. So eating jellyfish and sponges is really important for the ocean, for all the beautiful coral reefs. Number 2, how do sea turtles help seagrass? We have this. Mickey, could you please read this for me?
Green turtle resting on grass is an important way to keep square healthy and healthy strong grass in many space to and strong carbon.
Good. This word here is species. Species. So green turtles eat seagrass and it keeps the seagrass beds healthy. Having healthy seagrass is really important because lots of plants and animals and other little crabs and everything need healthy seagrass as their habitat. So this one's really important. Are there any benefits for these animals? Who knows? Katie, go ahead, Katie.
What is benefits?
That's a great question, Katie. Benefits are things that help. For example, maybe having a dictionary is a benefit. Or maybe having vacation days off of work is a benefit. So are there any benefits means, does this help these animals? Hacker, read this sentence.
Hatching are important source of food are many animal, bird, fish, mammal, like raccoon, they are really peaceful and full. Hatching survive till new season.
Good. So can you say plentiful hatchlings?
Plentiful hatchings.
Much better, thank you. So these birds, fish, and raccoons need these hatchlings to survive during nesting season. They need to eat them to survive, so that's important to these predators. How about vegetation? How might sea turtle eggs help the plants? Vegetation is plants. How do sea turtle eggs help the vegetation on the beach? Sal?
They splash water to the vegetation.
Good. Can you say vegetation?
Vegetation.
Very good. So that's a great idea. Maybe they splash water up to the plants. How about another one? How else might the eggs? Think about the eggs. How might the eggs help the plants? Cindy or Lehan? How might the eggs or Ocean?
Plants grow well.
This says these vital nutrients allow for continued growth of vegetation. So the nutrients from the turtle eggs help the plants grow. And these plants provide food for plant-eating animals. So sea turtles provide nutrients, which makes plants grow, which feeds animals, so they're really important. So after the baby sea turtle leaves its eggs, these eggshells provide really good nutrients for the plants on the beach, for the vegetation. What do you see on this turtle shell? Minha and Suri, what do you see on the turtle shell?
I don't know.
You're not,
I don't know.
you don't know what it is, but could you describe it? What does it look like?
It looks like the eyes of humans.
It does look like eyes. Very good, Minha. Sal, do you have something to add?
It looks like its egg on the shell.
It does look like eggs. So actually, it's little marine organisms, like little barnacles. They're called barnacles. So they provide a habitat to other animals. So I'm gonna do the reading from now on. So these animals rely on the sea turtle for a home. It's their habitat. What about these animals? What are these animals doing? Kiwi, what are these animals doing?
They are cleaning up their shell.
Exactly, they're eating everything off the turtle shell and cleaning it. Great job. So 1, sea turtles control the numbers of their prey. 2, they keep the seagrass healthy. 3, hatchlings are food for predators, for animals. 4, the eggs give nutrients to the plants. And 5, they provide a habitat for organisms like little barnacles that Minha said look like eyes. And 6, they provide food for fish. All right, they call these cleaning stations. The sea turtle spreads out its arms and lets the fish eat everything off of his shell. Okay, tomorrow's class is going to be difficult, hard, because it's about scientists and everything they're doing for the sea turtles. So make sure you read and take good notes so we can talk about it, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Bye, everybody.
Bye.